almost 600 potential investors that decided not to come in. The foreign investors don't want to get embroiled in this kind of thing. They'd rather go to some other place where they feel a sense of security, where they feel they can do business in peace and not have to face from all levels, from the barangays all the way up to the cabinet and maybe even the president. Who knows? We don't know. As I said, I cannot pass judgment. But the mere fact that we're kulelat already is a statement in itself. And the bankers know this. You know, we have what, 38 or almost 40 billion in overseas workers' remittances, and all that's just gonna get stolen. So it's very painful. It's very painful, especially for those who work very hard for their money. It's very painful to see all of these stare at them in the face. And not just the crime itself is one thing. The fact that to this day, there are really no culprits punished or caught, there's still a slew of denial, and that's, you know, like throwing salt into the wound.